I love this event. You get to meet tons of people, but not only that, great food, great winemakers. There's a lot of exposure also for Sarasota Manatee Originals. This is also how we support all of these independent restaurants.
Whenever I do the Forks and Corks event, I see old customers that have forgotten about me. I see customers that I still have and just love the food I produce at Forks and Corks. And I get new customers from the event, and it's a lot of fun. I've been in business now for 17 years. I think the Originals is one of the best organizations I've ever dealt with.
A lot of fun. I had fun for 3 days. I started with Bordeaux masterclass 2 days ago. 70 people, very interesting questions, and very entertaining.
You know, these things can be a bit of a party, but there was actually a lot of people that wanted to learn a lot about wine. And that's always encouraging for wineries to see when they come to these events.
I think it's a fantastic opportunity to get a really good feel about all the international wineries there are. And I love the fact that this event gives back to the community.
Forks and Corks is my all-time favorite. When you're part of this organization, you don't feel like you're in competition with the other restaurateurs. We are all part of a big team together. We support each other. We go to each other's restaurants. We have events together.
I think the most important thing is when you go out to dine, you have a choice. And it's so important that you choose something that's local, it's part of the Sarasota community. It's the culture of our own community that we should be celebrating. And we're going to celebrate local ingredients, local products, local talent. And what we end up with is really a better experience. I promise you that experience will be better.